Continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. The harder I work, the luckier I get. Thought is the original source of all wealth, all success, all material gain, all great discoveries and inventions, and all achievement. Self-discipline is the ability to make yourself do what you should do, when you should do it, whether you feel like it or not. Continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. We need men who can dream of things that never were. I must create a system or be enslaved in another man's. I will not reason and compare. My business is to create. The principle of competing is against yourself. It's about self-improvement and being better than you were the day before. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. The mind quickly responds to teaching and discipline. You can make the mind give you back anything you want. Achievement comes when you decide to live your possibilities. If you want to double your success rate, you need to double your failure rate. Excellence is attained when you care more than others think is wise, risk more than others think is safe, dream more than others think is practical, expect more than others think is possible. Don't think problem, think opportunity. If you worry about yesterday's failure, then today's success will be few. The history of the human race is the history of ordinary people who have overcome their fears and have accomplished extraordinary things. Dreams are the reality of tomorrow. Get enthusiastic and excited about your dreams. This excitement is like a forest fire. You can smell it, taste it, and see it from a mile away. There will never be another now. I will make the most of today. There will never be another me. I will make the most of myself. The only good luck many great men ever had was being born with the ability and determination to overcome bad luck. Obstacles don't have to stop you. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work around it. Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. You can't leave footprints in the sand of time if you are sitting on your butt, and who wants to leave footprints in the sand of time? First, say to yourself what you would be, then do what you have to do. Be all that you can be. There is no achievement without goals. Don't start the day until you have it finished. Don't start the week until you have it finished. Don't start the month until you have it finished. Plan your day. Be absolutely determined to enjoy what you do. Never let the fear of striking out get in your way. Success could be described as 50-50. 50% vision and 50% action. Nurture the dream that will inspire you to go beyond your limits. The man who can drive himself farther once the efforts gets painful is the man who will win. Relentlessness and discontent are the first necessities of progress.